CrewCost is an all-in-one construction accounting platform, purpose-built for growing general contractors. It's a true cloud-based application with real-time job costing and forecasting. Your team always knows where the job stands and where it's headed. Manage contracts, commitments, change orders, and create AIA payment applications without jumping between spreadsheets or outdated systems. Plus, manage and track retainage. Understand billing positions and backlog so you know when to ramp up collections efforts or estimating. All of this is automated by AI-powered Accounts Payable. CrewCost automates coding, approvals, and compliance, so job costs hit the system faster with fewer errors. And with direct integrations to platforms like Procore, your data flows cleanly between field and office. CrewCost, built for growing contractors. See it in action today.